This is the bee's knees, man. Come on, this is
Good taste. Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today I'm going to show you how I make my nopal salad, and since I already showed you how to clean them up, boil them, and not get them so slimy, let me go ahead and show you how I prepare my ensalada. If you don't know what ensalada is, it means salad. Okay? So I've already chopped about half a bunch of cilantro. If you don't like it, keep it out. Tomato, fresh tomato, and purple onion. For me, this combination tastes best with purple onion, but if you don't have it, make it comfortable for your home. Oh, that cilantro smell drives me crazy in a good way. What I have here is 2 cups of nopales, and I'm going to keep all the measurements of what I use at the end if you guys want the full recipe. Okay. I'm slicing 1 lemon, 1 key lime. And when you're adding your lime to your salad, start with half. I already know I'm going to use the whole key lime, but on your end, just start with a little bit if you're not too sure about the citrus. You know, this is going to make it, this is good like this, but you know what's going to make it better? Salt and pepper here. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper here. You know, the cool moms. Those were our jams when we were younger.
Push it real good.
Oh, a push it. Yeah. And then you're gonna do your salt to taste. Start off with about 1/4 of salt and then add slightly, okay?
1/4 of what?
1/4 teaspoon.
Oh, I thought you meant
Bless your heart for being here, Cloud.
I thought you meant 1/4 of a cup.
Wow, no. You know what?
That would be the ocean. Ooh.
That's the old me, okay? I've learned, thanks to your guys' feedback, constructive criticism. Oh yeah! Just give it a good mix. If you like spice, chop up a serrano, but Bebe, he's a little bit particular about the spice that he likes. He really is. Like Korean, he can handle it.
Too.
Yeah, he really does. But the serrano and the jalapeno, he's very particular about. How about your guys' kids? How do they do with the spice levels? Because my little Corimex babies, they go ham on both, but I think they tolerate the Korean one because it has like the sweet spice to it, but the serranos, they're not quite there yet. How about your little kids?
They're not on your
How
level.
about your little kids, okay?
They're not on your level of spice handling, but they can handle spice.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour myself some in my bowl. Just like this, and we're gonna give it a taste. I do have a little pepper shaker, guys, but I'm still going through my my vacation pile of spices. Okay, so I like to eat it with a tostada. You can eat it just like this and like make it a taco with your lettuce, or you can get some corn chips, and that's where I'm at right now. Let's give it a good taste. I think I might need a little bit of salt.
Gracias, comadre.
De nada. If you guys hear some cackling, my mom is currently talking with my tias or her boyfriend, so excuse her.
That's so good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, the purple onion really puts the ensalada together perfectly.
It really makes a difference. If this is your first time trying this recipe, make sure that you're using the purple onion because it is going to make a difference. If you're going to use your tomato, I've tried it with cherry tomatoes and it gives it a little bit of a different taste, so it's going to be up to you. So on that note, guys, if you like this recipe, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, take the time to subscribe right here, and after you subscribe, you're going to get a little bell that pops up. You want to click that bell if you want to have notifications when I upload. Blah, 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 blah.
Push it real good.
Push it real good. Push it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're doing remixes. Oh, my gosh. I am a foodie, so you guys will catch me eating if you're new. And welcome. Yeah, like, I welcome you guys because this channel is riding that wave. Mm-mm-mm. Here you go, sis.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thank you, thank you.
I'm not gonna act innocent. We have some aguachile that we're gonna enjoy with this. And if you guys are making the recipes, make sure you continue to send them on Twitter and Instagram so that I can post them right here. You guys wanted a quick video? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios!